Today, as in the 1950s, the largest inland petroleum refinery in the U.S. is in Whiting, Indiana. On August 27, 1955, a 252-foot tall hydroformer exploded, hurling deadly projectiles across the refinery and into adjoining residential neighborhoods. As a result, fire spread through 67 storage tanks, burning for the next 8 days. Strangely enough, the only fatality directly related to the explosion was a 3-year-old child crushed by debris that crashed through the ceiling of his bedroom. Experts attributed the blast to naphtha vapors that contaminated normally inert gases used in the hydroformer's startup procedure.